Hello, we are talking today about ratios. First, what is the meaning of ratio? A ratio is a comparison between two quantities by division. We'll show in an example what does that mean. Write the ratio in simplest form that compares the number of suns to the number of moons, then explain its meaning. So, he asked about the number of suns to the number of moons. So, the suns first, we count the suns 1, 2, 3, 4, and we write 4 over the number of moons, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write 4 over 6. So the way of writing a ratio is by writing it as a fraction, 4 over 6, or 4 to 6, or 4 to 6, like this. To do it in simplest form, we will divide both 4 and 6 by the greatest common factor, or GCF, which is 2 for 4 and 6, and 4 divided 2 is 2, 6 divided 2 is 3. So the ratio between the number of suns to the number of moons is 2 to 3. And what does that mean? So to explain its meaning that 2 suns there are 3 moons. This is the meaning. Several students named their favorite flavor of gum. Write the ratio that compares the number who chose fruit to the total number of students. Look here on the table. This is the table of favorite flavor of gum. The flavors are peppermint, cinnamon, fruit, and spearmint. The number of responses of students are 9 for peppermint, 8 for cinnamon, 3 for fruits, and 1 for spearmint. To write the ratio that compares the number who chose fruit, so this is the fruit, which is 3, as you see here, to the total number of students. So to count the total number of students, we will write here, we will add one row here to get the total, which is we add 9 plus 8 plus 3 plus 1. So this will be 21, as you see here. Now we will write the ratio as a fraction again, so 3 over 21, as you see here, and to make it in simplest form, we divide both of them by the greatest common factor, which is 3. So the GCF of 3 and 21 is 3. Dividing 3 by 3 equals 1, 21 divided 3 equals 7. So the ratio is 1 over 7, or we can write it as 1 to 7 or 1 to 7, like this. And it means that 1 out of every 7 students preferred fruit-flavored gum. Let's move to another type of questions. A pet store sold the animals listed in the table in 1 week. Write the ratio of cats to pets sold that week. So these are the cats. There are 8 cats. And the total number of pets, we will add 10 plus 14 plus 8, which is 32. So to write the ratio of the number of cats to the number of pets, so cats to pets equal 8 over 32, and 8 over 32 has GCF 8, so we divide both over 8 equal 1 over 4, and this means that for every 1 cat we have 4 pets. Katy wants to divide her 30 flowers into 2 groups so that the ratio is 2 to 3. So how many will be in each group? How many flowers? We will do this in 2 steps. Step number 1, we use a bar diagram like this to show a ratio of 2 to 3. So we will do 2 bars, the first one with 2 parts, the second one with 3 parts, and this means it is 2 to 3. Now we will count how many parts or sections are they all in all. They are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we want to divide the 30 flowers over the 5. So 30 divided by 5, which is 6. This means that each section contains 6 flowers. So I will put 6 in each section like this. So now it's easy to know that the first group is 6 plus 6, which is 12, or 6 times 2, which is 12, and the second group, which is 6 times 3, or 6 plus 6 equal 18. So there are 12 flowers in one group and 18 in the other one. The last example, divide 28 cans of soda into two groups so the ratio is 3 to 4. Okay, we will do this by the bar chart. So 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the first one, and the second one is 4, so we will do 4 of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we want to divide the 28 cans on these 7 sections because they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will divide 28 divided by 7 equals 4. This means that 4 in each section, 4 soda cans in each section. This means in the first group we have 4 times 3 is 12 soda cans, and the other group is 4 times 4, which is 16 soda cans. Hope you understand and like my video. Kindly subscribe and like.